Hi guys, it's Andy from ABC Direct. We've just taken delivery of a brand new True keg cooler. It's a 2-door unit. It can be used as a bottle cooler and a keg cooler, and it looks fantastic. So I want to get this unboxed. Let's have a look. Right guys, I've got the box off. We're just taking the packaging off here. Wow, can't believe the quality of this. Stainless steel top. We've got powder coated doors, solid stainless handles. We can get this in any colour as well, so we can have all round colours on this unit. It's front ventilated, so it means it can be built into your bar. It breathes through here. It's got a self-cleaning condenser, so when it starts up, the fan reverses and blows any dirt out. Glass doors, really heavy, good quality these. Got all the equipment in, stainless steel interior. This model's got LED colour changing lights as well. So through the glass door, we can have colour changing. We've got shelves, so if you want to use it as a bottle cooler, a beer fridge, we can put the shelves in. Put a small dumpy keg in that side. I'll show you that once we get it assembled. What a great bit of kit. I'm going to get the fonts on, I'm going to show you what it looks like assembled, and then see where we go from there. Fantastic. Right guys, let's have a look inside. What does it come with on this keg cooler? Behind these heavy duty doors, we've got door locks, so the doors can be locked. We've got extra set of hinges, so these doors can be hinged the other way if we wish. So it comes with a set of hinges. Sort this out. We've got plastic coated shelves for the bar fridge with the shelf clips. We've got the hose. This is a cooling hose, which is going to go up and cool the font. So when we install it, it'll go up there like that. The rubber cooling hose, keep the beer cold. We've got in here a stainless steel drip tray with drain pipe, so that's going to sit on the top. Good quality drip tray, everything stainless steel, really good quality. We've also got, what's in here, the fonts, chrome font, that's going to sit on the top with the beer pipe. So we're going to set that up and show you how that sets up on the top of the cooler as well. We also supply gas regulator and keg couplers, but we can do that to suit as an extra if you wish. But these are really good quality, great stainless interior. I can't believe this. Well, let's get it assembled. Let's show you what it looks like, shall we? Let's do that. Right guys, we've got it assembled now. We put the font on, the tap, really good quality. The stainless steel drip tray, fantastic kit again. That bolts through the top. We've got 14 illuminated LED lights in there, so we can change colour 14 times. Let me show you how good this is. Look at the colours we've got in there. We've got the plastic coated shelves, you can adjust those up. We've got room for the small barrel on this side. Just flip the switch and you can go through 14 different colours, or just have it as a normal fridge. How good does that look? Really smart. It's American built, true cabinet, really good quality. It's got feet on the bottom. We've got it on the pallet at the moment, but it has got small feet, adjustable feet to put on it. We just leave it on the pallet just to show the actual cabinet. It's got refrigeration. You can set it down to half a degree up to 5 degrees, so it's going to keep everything super cold. What a great bit of kit. Visit our website, give us a call, come into the showroom, have a look at this. There's none about. This is what you want for your own bar, your man cave, your pub, your VIP area. This is good quality. This is what you want. Thanks for looking. Andy, ABC Direct.